वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। Question number 1, in which x square minus 3x plus 1 over x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. Now we resolve into partial fraction, which is x square minus 3x plus 1 over x minus 1 whole square x minus 2 is equal to a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 whole square plus c over x minus 2. And then we multiply both sides the denominator of the equation, which is x minus 2 x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. Multiply x minus 1 whole square x minus 2 both sides. We get x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 multiply by x square minus 3x plus 1 over x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1 whole square into a over x minus 1 plus, sorry, here we write again x minus 2 is also x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 multiply by b over x minus 1 whole square, and the next is x minus 1 whole square x minus 2 multiply by c over x minus 2. Now simplify these values, we get x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1. We get x minus 1 into x minus 2 into a plus x minus 2 into b plus c into x minus 1 whole square. Now further simplify x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to a into x square minus 3x plus 2 plus b x minus 2 plus c into x minus x square plus 1 minus 2x. Now we comparing the coefficients of the powers of x and constant. Comparing coefficients of power x and constant, in which the highest power of x is x square. So the first equation we get is, here is x square 1 is equal to a multiplied by x square is equal to a plus c multiplied by x square is equal to c, and it is our first equation. Now comparing the coefficient of x, in which minus 3x minus 3 is the coefficient, and on the other hand a multiplied by minus 3x is equal to minus 3a, and b multiplied by x is equal to plus b, and the next is c multiplied by minus 2x is equal to minus 2c. And the next is for constant. Here is constant 1. 1 is equal to 2a minus 2b and plus c. These are the questions we get by comparing x powers and constant. Now we put x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and put x is equal to 1 in this question. We get 1 square is equal to 1 minus 3x, 3 into 1 3 plus 1 is equal to a 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus b 1 minus 2 plus c 1 plus 1 minus 2. Now simplify these values. Minus 3 plus 1 and plus 1 plus 2, we get minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 1 and plus 1 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, a into 0 plus b into minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, c into 0. We get minus 1 is equal to minus b. It means the value of b is equal to 1. And the next is, we put x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. In the question, we get 2 x square, x square minus 3x plus 1. We put x is equal to 2. We get x square mean 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is equal to a into 4 minus 6 plus 2 plus b 2 minus 2 plus c 4 plus 1 minus 4. Now simplify these values. We get 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, a into 0 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, b into 0 plus 4 plus 1 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, c into 1. So the value of c is equal to minus 1. the value of b is 1 and c is minus 1, and we put the value of b and c in equation 3 to get 1, or we put the value of only c in a, and a plus c is equal to 1, which is equation 1, to get the value of a plus c is equal to 1. A plus c is equal to 1, but the value of c is equal to minus 1, so a minus 1 is equal to 1, and a is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. A is equal to 2, and so we get the values of constant a, b and c, and put these values in the equation. We get a is equal to 2, 2 over x minus 1, b is equal to 1, 1 over x minus 1 whole square, and c is equal to minus 1, minus 1 over x minus 2 is the answer of this question 1. 2, which is x square plus 7x plus 11, x square plus 7x plus 11 over x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3, and we get the change into partials. We get x square plus 7x plus 11 over x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3 is equal to a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 2 whole square plus c over x plus 3. Now we multiply the denominator of the fraction, which is x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3, both sides. Multiply x plus 2 whole square, x plus 3, both sides. We get x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3 multiply by x square plus 7x plus 11 over x plus 2 whole square, x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2 whole square, x plus 3 multiply by a over x plus 2 plus x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3 into b over x plus 2 whole square, and plus x plus 2 whole square, x plus 3 multiply by c over x plus 3. Now simplify these values. We get x square plus 7x plus 11 is equal to x plus 2, x plus 2, and x plus 2 into x plus 2 whole square cancel, x plus 3 into x plus 3. Now we get a x plus 2, x plus 3 plus b x plus 3 plus c x plus 2 whole square. And now we put the question x plus 2 is equal to 0. which is x is equal to minus 2. In the question, we get minus 2 square is equal to 4 minus 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to minus 14 plus 11 is equal to a minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 plus b minus 2 plus 3 c minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Now simplify these values. We get 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. A minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 into 1 plus B into 1 plus C minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 whole square. And we get 1 is equal to B, or we can say it B is equal to 1. And now put x plus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 3. Now put x is equal to minus 3 in the question. We get minus 3 square is equal to 9 minus 7 threes are 21 plus 11 is equal to a minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 3 plus b minus 3 plus 3 plus c minus 3 plus 2 whole square. Now simplify these values. We get 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 minus 21 we get minus 1 is equal to a minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Mean whole value is 0 plus b is equal to 0 plus c into minus 1 whole square. So the c is equal to minus 1. It is the value of c we get. Now we comparing the coefficient of highest power of x, which is x square. Now comparing coefficient of x square, which is 1 is equal to this x multiply when this x get x square and their coefficient is a is equal to a. Here there is no coefficient x square, so we cannot write the coefficient of b. In the third is c x plus 2 whole square, and when we take square we get x square, then and coefficient is c, so a plus c is equal to 1. But we get the value of c is equal to minus 1, so we put here 1 is equal to a, c is equal to minus 1, 1 is equal to a minus 1, and we get the value of a is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 1. Put these values in these partials fractions and get the answer. We get 2 over x plus 2 plus, and the b is 1 1 over x plus 2 whole square, and c is minus 1 over x plus 3, and it is the answer of values of a, b and c. Now we start question 3, which is 9 over x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. Now convert them in partial fraction. We get 9 over x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square is equal to a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 2 plus c over x plus 2 whole square. And then we multiply denominator of this fraction both sides, which is x minus 1 and into x plus 2 whole square. Multiply x minus 1 x plus 2 whole square both sides. We get x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square multiplied by 9 over x minus 1 x plus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 1 x plus 2 whole square multiplied by a over x minus 1 plus x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square multiplied by b over x plus 2 plus x minus 1 x plus 2 whole square multiplied by c over x plus 2 whole square. Now simplify these values. We get 9 is equal to x minus 1 cancel into n x minus 1 x plus 1 into x plus 1 x plus 2 whole square with x plus 2 whole square. The remaining values are a into x plus 2 whole square plus b x minus 1 x plus 2 and c x minus 1. So first we put the value x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 mean x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Put the x is equal to 1 in the question. We get 9 is equal to a 1 plus 2 whole square plus b 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 2 plus c 1 minus 1. Simplify these values. We get 9 is equal to a 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 whole square plus b 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus c 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now further simplify, we get 9 is equal to a 9 a into 9 and the remaining all the values are 0 and a is equal to 9 over 9 which is equal to 1 and it is the answer of a. Now we put x plus 2 is equal to 0. Put x plus 2 is equal to 0 mean x is equal to minus 2. In this question we get 9 is equal to a minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus b 2 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus c minus 2 minus Now simplify these values, we get 9 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0, a into 0 square plus b minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 and minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 plus c minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Further simplify, we get 9 is equal to minus 3c, means c is equal to 9 over minus 3, which is equal to minus 3. C is equal to minus 3. And now we comparing the coefficients of x square. Comparing the coefficient of x square, we get here is no x square, only none, means 0. When we take x plus 2 whole square, x square gets a, x multiplied by x we get x square, the coefficient b, and c there is no x square, so c is not included in the value. But we have a is equal to 1, put a is equal to 1 means 0 is equal to 1 plus b, means b is equal to minus 1. Here we get a1, c minus 3 and b minus 1. Put these values a, b, c in these partial fractions. 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 2 and minus 3 over x plus 2 whole square. Question number 4, in which x power 4 plus 1 over x square into x minus 1. Here this is an improper fraction. X power 4 is numerator while the denominator is x square into x is equal to x power 3. And in proper fractions we change it first to proper fraction and then solve. First we divide x power 4 plus 1 by x power 3 minus x square, and we get x plus 1 plus x square plus 1 over x square into x minus 1. First we take the partial fraction of these fractions and then in the answer we add it, x plus 1. So we convert x square plus 1 x square x minus 1 into partial fraction, which is a over x plus b over x square plus c over x minus 1. Now we multiply both sides, the denominator x square into x minus 1, multiply x square x minus 1. Now we simplify this equation, x square into x minus 1 with cancel each other, x with x cancel, x square with x square cancel, x minus 1 into x minus 1. Now by simplifying we get x square plus 1 is equal to a x x minus 1 plus b x minus 1 plus c x square. So we first put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 we get 0 square 0 plus 1 is equal to a into 0 0 minus 1 plus b 0 minus 1 plus c into 0 square. Now simplify these values, we get 1 is equal to, it is 0 and the whole value is 0, mean a into 0 plus b minus 1 plus c into 0. So minus b is equal to 1 and we get b is equal to minus 1. It is the answer of B. Now we put x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So we put the value of x which is equal to 1 in the equation. We get 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to a 1 1 minus 1 plus b 1 minus 1 plus c 1 square. Simplify these values, we get 2 is equal to a and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 plus b into 0 plus 1 square is equal to 1 which equals 0. So the c is equal to 2. And at last we comparing coefficient of x square, which we get, it is x square, its coefficient is 1, it is ax, when multiply x we get x square, its coefficient is a, and in b there is no x square and it is c x square, its coefficient is c plus c. Now we put the value of c and get 1 is equal to a plus 2 and we get a is equal to 1 minus 2, a is equal to minus 1. So we put the values of a, b and c in the fraction and get the answer. X plus 1 plus a is minus 1 over x. The b is minus 1 over x square and the c is 2 plus 2 over x minus 1. And it is the answer of question 4.